Dad, I need a break. We've been working too hard.
Okay, I'm feeling a bit drowsy too.
There's so much old junk in this attic.
Well, some of it has seen better days, but it's not junk. Oh, just look at this record.
An LP? It looks so old.
I really recommend this record. I used to listen to it all the time when I was a teenager. It's a classic.
I'm not sure.
Oh, the record player is a little worse for wear, but I think it still works. We should try playing the record.
Dad, honestly, this is boring. I can barely stay awake.
Ha, boring? That's nonsense. This is classic rock.
It's really terrible. It's the worst music I've ever heard.
That doesn't make any sense. Ah, I know what the problem is. You have to dance to it.
Dance?
Oh, that's right. Look at me. I'll show you how I used to dance.
You should stop dancing right now. It's the silliest thing I've ever seen.
All right, take it easy. I was just teasing you. Chapter 1. This chapter's vocabulary. All right. Amazing. Delicious. Document. Fit.
Flavorless. Fortunate. Hannah. Keep in touch. Lean.
Living room. Mechanic. Mow the lawn. Order. Pasta.
Steak. Taste. Tasty. Trash. Vacuum. Weather.
Chapter 1. Lesson 1. Asking about taste. Vocabulary. Amazing. Delicious. Lean. Ordered. Steak. Tasty.
Is it tasty? How's the taste? Does it taste all right?
Is it tasty?
Yes, it's delicious.
How's the taste? Do you like it?
Yeah, it tastes great.
How is the steak you ordered? Does it taste all right?
Actually, it's a little lean. It's not very tasty.
Examples. This wine tastes amazing.
How is the dress you ordered? Does it fit you?
This doesn't taste good. I don't really like the taste.
This soup is too bitter. I can't eat it.
Does your pasta taste good? I'm thinking about ordering the same one. Note. Salty. Oily. Spicy. Greasy. Sour. Flavorless. Bland. Lean. Bitter.
Chapter 1. Lesson 2. Parting with someone. Vocabulary. Sec. Coworker. Outside. Keep in touch.
Goodbye. See you later. Hope to see you again soon.
Bye.
Goodbye.
I have to go now. Take care.
Okay. See you later, Hannah.
It was nice meeting you. Let's keep in touch.
Yes. Hope to see you again soon.
Examples. See you tonight.
It was nice talking to you again.
I have to leave in a sec. Take care.
I still keep in touch with my old coworkers.
Hope to see you again when you return to Korea.
Please take care if you go outside. It's snowing a lot. Chapter 1. Lesson 3. Volunteering to do something. Vocabulary. Document. Mow the lawn. Trash. Vacuum. Volunteering.
I can do it. I'll take care of it. Leave it to me.
Someone has to take out the trash.
I can do it.
Can someone please take out the trash?
Okay, I'll take care of it.
We need someone to take out the trash tonight.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Examples. Can someone please answer the phone?
You don't have to vacuum the living room. Leave it to me.
You can relax. I'll take care of the baby tonight.
Our company needs someone to copy these documents.
No problem. I can mow the lawn this weekend.
If you need someone to work late tonight, I can do it. Chapter 1. Lesson 4. Asking about availability. Vocabulary. Weather. Availability. Soccer. Weekend.
Are you busy? Can you talk? Are you free to talk right now?
Are you busy?
No, I can talk.
Hi, can you talk?
Sure. What's up?
Are you free to talk right now?
Not right now. Please call me back in 10 minutes.
Examples. Can you visit me tonight?
Are you free for dinner this week?
Are you free to meet this weekend?
What's up with the weather these days? It's raining all the time.
Are you busy tonight? Let's watch a movie.
Please call me back when you have time.